Hey, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We're at Fabtech 2025 here in Chicago, Illinois. We're at the Scotchman booth, one of our favorite companies and manufacturers, American made to this day. Very, very heavy duty equipment, great supports and service. One of the newest machines they've come out with is a nice heavy duty H-frame. This is a Scotchman 110 ton H-frame machine. Let's take a look at it. Here you can see this is a large bed. Nice heavy duty pump. All these parts are easy to get off the shelf. Simple machine. Scotchman's one of the best brands around. They've been around a very long time and definitely one of the best warranties in the business. The Press Pro 110. If this is the type of machine you're looking for, let us know. If you need something bigger or smaller, we'd love to help you out. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Well, we've had another great show here at Fabtech 2025 here in Chicago. Seen a lot of really amazing machines. Seen a lot of really similar machines, which makes it really tough to decide exactly which machine would be best for your product or for your company. If you give us a call at Sterling Machinery, 626-444-0311, we can walk you through all the different options of all the different machines, why one might be better than the other, which tooling might be best for you, and help you choose which machines you're going to need. Give us a call, check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you very much.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.